Hey guys, what's up? Today's another video. Today's a quick video for you, okay? Just so you can learn about a new function in the car, a new way to unlock the car's revs. First, I'm going to show you the car with the gear shift in P, as you can see, okay? Gear shift in P, handbrake on. Now you'll see, if you accelerate the car all the way, it will go up to 4,000 and won't go any further, right? Now I'm going to show you with the gear shift, where you should leave it in the position to release the car's revs, okay? So here, look, it's in P, you're going to pull the P lever so it's between P and R, it won't be either one or the other. It'll be in the middle, you're going to hold it with your hand. And look, the revs, how it's going to happen, look. Now the revs will be released. The revs will go all the way down, until they cut off. So that's it, guys. It's very simple to remove the rev limiter. So that's it, guys.